All right, what is up, YouTube? We're gonna go over today's trades that I signaled out for premium. It was like over a 600 point day if you held till my extended TP of Asia. But we'll go over both trades. We took 3 trades total, 2 winners, 1 break even, and yeah, let's get into it. So coming into market open, extremely bearish. I did want to see some pullback. We already took London low. We had Asia, London high, and true day open above. So I wanted to see us be long. So exactly off this 15-minute backwards fib, wick to wick, we got this beautiful reaction off the negative 2.25. We come down into a smaller time frame here. We had this initial reaction, but we didn't get an OTE or anything, so I didn't take that. And then we come down even lower here. We finally get this reaction right here. This is pre-market around 8 o'clock. We get beautiful V-shaped recovery, inverse a couple gaps here. Not that I care too much, but then we came down, respected this 1 minute gap, continued higher, and then we got a 1 minute change of state up here, as well as a 1 minute OTE of the 50%, strictly off that rejection, plus the 1 minute change of state. I took the trade here, stops being below this initially for about a 17-point stop, and then once we continued higher up into here, I dragged my stops up below this wick, making it about a 7-point stop. My targets were off this fib, I'm pretty sure, right here. -2 was the first target, -2.5, or no, it wasn't that fib right there. I think it was this one right here. Yeah, so -2 was my first TP. That was a perfect TP. We rejected a bit. We never hit stop loss, and then open brought us all the way up to -4 / that true day open. It was pretty close to that true day open. Where is the true day open? Yep, right here. Right at that -4.25. We never actually got true day open itself. But yeah, -4, beautiful TPs, -2 and -4. This was about 110 points. Yeah, 111 point trade. And then coming into market open, we pumped up a bit, manipulated, continued lower. Beautiful reaction out of here. We balanced out this previous leg. As you see, this previous 5 minute came down, 0.79 held. And then, I got to show you guys the break even trade. Came up, respected this 1 minute, had a 1 minute change of state, took a short right here. This was a pretty stupid short. It was against my draw and liquidity, so I shouldn't have taken it, but it went about 40 points in profit. You could have taken profits or broken even, but yeah, I went as soon as we were 40 points and we got this rejection, I went break even. It was break even. Came back down, retested seller or buyers right at this area, and this was the 0.79 of the 1 minute. Beautiful reaction off that, came up, 1 minute change of state, right there, entry right there, take profit right here, targeting that London high. And then I said, for anybody that wants to go crazy, take profits, extended take profits all the way up to Asia. Our initial first TP, the one where most people exited, was 140 points. But yeah, it ended up going all the way to Asia for over 500 points and literally rejected straight off Asia and continued lower. So 500 points there, another 110 here, about 600 something points on the day. Yeah, very, very easy day. Price action pretty clean. The beginning was a little, weird. We wanted to see some manipulation lower. We finally got it. We didn't break this initial low. If you held this stop loss here and held out throughout this trade, this would have played out as well. But you could always find re-entries. No reason to hold them. But yeah, pretty simple day. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll be live for Asia, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.